So, Tig, you want to introduce for us what we're doing today?
All right, so we got the boss's truck. Doing full bolt-ons. If you follow me over here, see some of the parts we got. Boom. We got a Cobb black intercooler going in this thing.
Clean.
We got AMS up pipe. I don't think we're doing the. Oh yeah, we did AMS charge pipes also. Cobb intake. Got a sweet little test pipes going on here. Cut that out. I don't even know what they are. Little kit for my intercooler and my Cobb intake. Turbo smart blow-up valve. Having fun with it. But first we gotta get to the part.
Oh, here we go. Wow, that is a fucking big boy in comparison to water bottle for scale. Because I don't have anything scientific here.
Well, you got the old one.
And then here's the old. Oh yeah, just hold the old one up. Why am I using a water bottle when we? Okay.
You literally have the old one that like sat. The old one sat like right here.
Oh shit! So they relocated.
So they raised it so we could cut his bumper and do the promo.
Gotcha.
Well, look at this.
Damn, that is a lot.
That's a nice difference. That's a healthy difference.
Oof. No heating problems here.
I'm a fan.
Not that I think we're really having heating problems in December, but all right. I'm not the boss. That's his decision. You want to tell people what the fuck we're doing in this damn truck?
Spending money on it. Literally.
A man in his hobby.
Yeah, but we're gonna chop this off next year.
For what?
Frame cut bumper.
Oh, okay. No, he's not that short. It's just that this truck is that fucking lifted.
Yeah, man, come on. Average height. Stop f***ing around.
I'm the same exact height as you. I'm fully aware of this.
The national average. I want to hear it.
Fucking 5'9" on the dot.
Right? It's already getting washed. What are you talking about? What's wrong with you? Get washed. What in the bro? You're literally my child. Get out of my face. Jesus. It's a napkin, isn't it? Who uses a fucking silk pocket square to blow your nose with?
This guy, apparently. Where'd he go? We got going on over here, Nicothenius. Oh, he don't like getting put on the spot on the camera. Oh wait, this was just you loading up a random base map? Well, I see a lot of green there, so I'm assuming that's good.
I don't know, Poppy. It's hovering around 100, so...
Are you really? Wait, so how did you make this map actually? Was this from, did you modify his last one, or did you just kind of like freestyle off of what you know is on the car?
What's the new one?
Oh shit, so this is like straight from scratch. And you got it there? Wait, Mateo, what are you doing on this one? What's going down on this car?
HKS exhaust, but it looks like it don't fit. Like they got it for the wrong model. And you get me like over here focused hard. Wrong exhaust.
It's the wrong exhaust?
It says does not fit hatchback.
Oh, so it's for the coupe, not the hatchback?
Yeah.
Says does not fit hatchback.
Does not fit hatchback.
It says it on there?
Yeah. nice area. Call Tony about it.
Actually, man, you want to tell the people why we don't let customers source parts? So this is our neighbor's car, so we're not just ragging on a random customer. So boys, it's static. But tell us what's the dilemma we're having.
Well, you don't read the description well. It says does not fit hatchback.
This car is a hatchback.
Problem is that it hits the wheel.
Yeah, it shouldn't do that. If you guys were curious.
What?
Look at this.
Yeah.
That fits fine, but then we're kind of missing all of that.
8-inch of fucking piping.
So yeah, when you guys come here, you want something installed, just ask us to source the parts for you.
Nice. Hold the microphone. Live.
Oh, all right. I'm gonna assume by the way you just treated that is the old, and then where's the new?
That's far over there.
Oh, it's in one of those.
Piece of the puzzle are our catless downpipes.
Fire. Which, as you guys can see here, we got some big old restrictions there and there. You look over here.
Straight flow.
Straight flow. Not the usual suspect at the shop, but it may or may not be going on the rollers soon, so stay tuned for that. Sir Tigeronicus, I bring gifts.
I've never been so happy to hear your voice.
Wait, was that just spinning tires?
Yeah.
Ooh, this bitch is loud. This shit felt like it spun tires.
Yeah, that's what I thought it was. It felt like it was spinning.
Shift. Oh my god.
Yeah, like it didn't shift. It just kept
That
like
wasn't even
fucking.
full throttle. That was like half throttle.
What?
No bullshit. That wasn't even full throttle. I was like rolling into it.
Yeah, because that was just spinning uphill the entire way.
Nice. I like it.
I f***s with it.
Damn, that wasn't even full throttle. If you actually get this thing opened up with these big ass tires.
She moves.
Oh, Jesus!
What is this?